Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be replacing the mass airflow sensor or the MAF sensor on a Rav4. This is for the 2019 and up, but this is a super easy job. But there's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can pick up these parts on Amazon. It's a super quick, easy process, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to replace the mass airflow sensor, you're actually going to locate the air box. This is the front driver corner of the car, and you can actually see it's this part right here with these two screws and this plug. So what we're going to go ahead and do is actually push down right here on the plug and then pull that straight off. And then go ahead and take a screwdriver and pull off these two screws. You want to make sure you do not drop these. And then we can go ahead and grab the mass airflow sensor and wiggle it and pull it right out of place. So now let's go ahead, grab the new one and swap it out. All right, so now we can go ahead and take the new one and go ahead and set it down into place and make sure you align it properly to where the plug is sticking back. And then let's go ahead and take those two screws and we're going to go ahead and put them right back into place. And then obviously the final step is the easiest one, and we're going to push the plug right back on. Just like that, we are done. Alright, so I really hope this video did help you guys out. If you are interested in picking up some of these parts, you can actually go check them out. There's going to be links in the description down below. And there's even going to be some links for other stuff I've actually done with this car as well. So definitely go check those out. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and maybe some others with the Rav4. Definitely hit the subscribe button. But like I said, don't forget to check out my channel. I do have some other videos on this car. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.